Card 11. Nightmares of Nature. Pirahnas. An aggressive fish, the piranha feeds in packs and attacks with incredible ferocity. A school rushes prey and tears away flesh from the live victim. Piranhas can strip a large animal down to the bone on just minutes. Rippers. The triangular teeth are not only razor sharp, but they interlock to give the fish a deadly hold on prey. Nose for blood. The fish's large nasal pits led to sensors that piranhas use to detect the slightest trace of blood in the water. Attack speed. Wide and muscular, the tail drives the fish rapidly through the water as it zeroes in on prey. Creature features. Genus, species, Cirrhosalmus, various. Size, length up to 2 feet, 1 foot on average, weight up to 4.5 pounds. Habitat, rivers of South America. Prey, fish including other piranhas, birds, mammals. Lifespan, about 5 years.